advised by the lawyers not to appear in public for some time so that we can assess the situation. And there was no search operation going on for the students. The students were here at administration block all night among the student fraternity, and we have some clear positions that we would like to communicate to you regarding the arrest of students and regarding police entry on campus. We have been told informally that the administration has been trying to meet us. However, we have not received, the union has not received any formal communication from the administration that the administration wants to meet us. We have not received any formal communication to the effect. And that is why, because it has come to our notice that probably the administration is trying to get the JNU Student Union to facilitate the arrest of these students. Apparently that is the case, and it's good that if that's not the case, but this is what we have heard. On this we have a few things to say. We think that the call as to whether police should enter the campus or not has to be taken by the Vice Chancellor. And the JNU Student Union cannot share responsibility. Any such burden should not be put on the JNU Student Union. There are a few demands that I would like to read out to you point by point. This is the Jawaharlal Nehru Student Union writing to the Vice Chancellor, JNU New Delhi, on police entry and arrest of students. Respected Sir, on the arrest of students and police entry into campus, we would like to communicate the stand of the JNUSU. Number one, JNUSU has right from the beginning maintained that there is no need for police intervention in this matter. Number two, over the past few weeks, JNUSU's position has been bolstered as it has emerged through several developments, including doctored videos and debates within Zee News, etc., that the Delhi police charges are completely baseless. A Zee News reporter has publicly resigned, admitting the doctored videos and the ensuing slander of JNU students. This makes it clear that the case is baseless and no JNU student should be or needs to be arrested. Number three, the JNU VC should do what the Jadavpur University VC correctly did. The JU VC clearly refused to allow the police to enter the campus and arrest students. We welcome the stand of the Jadavpur University Vice Chancellor, who has said that any matter related to the students will be dealt with by the internal mechanisms. And our VC, Professor Jagdish Kumar, we believe should take a similar stand. Many academicians have written to him, including Noam Chomsky, including IIT Delhi faculty, against, he is from IIT Delhi himself, and they've all written to him against the entry of police and police presence on campus. Number four, in the light of all the media house developments and other fabrications around the issue, the JNU VC should in fact demand from Delhi police that all criminal sedition charges should be immediately removed from all JNU students. Number five, also, as many academicians from around the world have written, the police entry and arrests are absolutely unnecessary on the issue involved. Like the Jadavpur University VC, you should also take a stand against police entry and arrest of students. Also, police entry on campus in general is not welcome as it vitiates the academic atmosphere. Undersigned, Shaila Rashid, Vice President, JNU Student Union, Mrityunjay, Counselor, School of Life Sciences, Mukesh, Convener of School of Arts and Aesthetics, Balaji, Counselor from School of International Studies, Kaushik, Counselor from School of Languages, Dilip, Counselor from School of Languages, Kuldeep, Counselor from Center for the Study of Law and Governance, Karishma, Counselor from School of Languages, Om Prakash, Counselor from School of Social Sciences. There are other counselors also who are signing it. Elora Chakrabarti, from Counselor from School of Social Sciences.
Why are you announcing it on public? Because we want some points to be added on that. हाँ, मतलब कुछ points add करना है. We want to understand. This is an important decision that we will discuss among ourselves. Right? This is not
This is broadly the union's position. Any additions to that will be made, and the Vice Chancellor will receive this letter today from us. But this is broadly the Genuta and the GenuSU position. Thank you.
लेटर अभी उस पे एडिशंस होंगे